Can the allure of the forbidden ever be resisted? Welcome to our exploration of Book 4 of John Milton's epic poem, Paradise Lost, a tale of temptation, deception, and the exercise of free will. Our journey begins with Satan, having successfully traversed the gates of hell, standing on the brink of Eden. He's mesmerized by the sheer purity and beauty of this paradise, yet his determination to taint it is unwavering. Transforming into a silver-tongued serpent, Satan slithers into Eden and discovers Eve, the first woman, alone by the tree of life. He engages her in discourse, praising her intellect and charm. Initially taken aback by a talking snake, Eve finds herself drawn into his persuasive dialogue. The cunning serpent subtly probes Eve about the tree's fruit, suggesting it bestows divine knowledge. He insinuates that God has forbidden it only to keep humans in the dark. Eve's curiosity is aroused, and she confesses her yearning to taste the forbidden fruit. Feigning concern, the serpent convinces Eve that the fruit is harmless and will make her as wise as the gods. Succumbing to temptation, Eve plucks the fruit and takes a bite. Overwhelmed by unfamiliar sensations, she rushes to share it with Adam, believing it will enrich him as well. This act of defiance signifies a pivotal moment in the narrative. Adam and Eve's innocence is lost, replaced by a newfound awareness of their nudity and shame. The fourth book concludes with a somber realization. Adam and Eve have fallen from grace, paving the way for the repercussions of their disobedience to unfold in the subsequent chapters of this epic saga. In this book, Milton delves deep into the themes of temptation, deception, and the outcomes of exercising free will. He foreshadows the tragic events that lie ahead, setting the stage for a narrative filled with remorse, repentance, and redemption. Thus, Paradise Lost Book 4 presents a powerful exploration of human nature and the consequences of yielding to temptation. It serves as a poignant reminder of the perils of deception and the power of free will, and it leaves us wondering, can the allure of the forbidden ever really be resisted?